how to change address on Robinhood. In this quick video, I'll show you how to change your address on Robinhood app in just a few easy steps. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. If you are an Android user, you can download it from Play Store, and if you are an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store. Now click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Now make sure to log into your account. After that, you can see a person icon on the bottom right corner. Click on it to get access to account settings. After that, tap on settings, or you can also see this 3 line on the top left corner. Click on it and here click on settings. Now choose personal information from the list. Then tap the address field and update it to your new address and hit save. It might take a little time for Robinhood to verify the new address, especially if it's part of a security update. And this is how you can update your address on Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.